In this video, we are going to permanently recover the files and folders. So first go to control panel. So in this system and securities tab, click it and file history is there. If you turn on this history, it will easily to recover. If it's not possible, then go to backup and restore. And this you need to check you have a setup backup is there. You need to click. So later it will be helpful for you. So that's why I'm telling. So and the second method is you can recover like this. The second method is you can go to run and command prompt cmd, click it, and we need to type chkdsk space and which driver, C drive or D drive. You need to clear write it and slash off and attrib and follow the letters. And if you have recently deleted or deleted before, it's get automatically recover. If it's not, it will be denied. After completing this, click exit. If it's not work, I will give another method 3, and you need to, for this you need to install a Windows file recovery. So go to Microsoft stores and install this one, Windows file recovery. I already installed it, so you need to go to and click run as administrative, and in this you need to write a win effort and which driver, C drive or D drive, you need to get recovered. You need to correctly mention that one, and you need to write which you need to recover, which folders you need to recover. So I recover in user file, so and click enter. So if it's have it automatically recover, you need to go and check that file. So these are the 3 steps without doing any application you need to recover. So thanks for watching.